Dear friends, welcome to my channel. I feel honored. Well, you'll be glad to know that the price range between $100 and $400 is arguably the best overall drones the market offers. So let's start video. This aircraft adopts advanced image transmission technology, and the transmission picture is smooth and clear. It can watch the aerial pictures in real time through the mobile phone and experience the world from different angles. Specifications: remote control distance 8100 meters, charging time is 60 minutes, model efficiency weight, action time is 79 minutes, size of 22.5 control channel 6 channels, controller battery of 3x 1.5 batteries are not included, camera for 100 type, 720 type, 10A type optional. Easy to play 360-degree rolling, meet up and down, tumbling back and forth, tumbling around, etc. 2. To point forks remote control up to point forks high frequency signal, remote control distance, supporting multiple aircraft, while playing non-interference. 3. High-low speed mode, high and low speed conversion, and large wide speed switch, high speed to output greater torque. 4. A key takeoff landing, it can be easily through the remote control for a key to take off or landing without hands, but also easy to control Pico capture, more convenient. 5. One key return, built-in positioning system in the headless mode. When the quadcopter flew to a long distance, cannot identify the direction, you can easily recall. Top 2. AE6 Max Drone, 8 pixels. Equipped with 90-degree camera that can be adjusted continuously, GPS positioning, and optical flow positioning dual mode, can be equipped with 360 omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, 60 for color and light gradient, dual camera switching, ultra-long flight, 6-way belt gyro instrument, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight steering, 1 key return, headless mode, 1 key geomagnetic calibration, 1 key level calibration, GPS switch, 1 key unlocking, photo video, 3-speed camera. AE6 Max GPS brushless is motor folding aerial photography drone. Main material ABS. Hardware, electronics. Product color black gray. Standalone including battery out to 186. Battery weight 87. Remote control weight of 157. Obstacle avoidance head weight of 15.50. Product to aircraft a battery parameters is 7.415 time a battery. Top 3. Cone 128 to 0.4 Rex drone. The single propeller is designed without flaps, which has high efficiency and good wind resistance. The 6-axis electronic gyroscope is added to stabilize the height, and the barometer is added to fix the height. The optical flow positioning, the 720 type wide-angle camera, and the image transmission is clear. The remote control helicopter and the optical flow positioning are used for the first time. The flight is more stable. And 3. Easy to operate, a super long battery life, impact resistant. The battery life of Cone 128 can reach about 15 minutes. Function: 1. Aeronauts design. The propeller is designed based on aerodynamic principles to provide strong power and self-stability of the body. Simple 4-channel design. Ultra-stable flight with 6-axis gyroscope. 2. The remote control of the main seat. The feel is delicate, and the control is more accurate. 3. A barometer height, optical flow positioning. Top 3. Eachine E58 Drone. This aircraft adopts advanced image transmission technology, and the transmission picture is smooth and clear. It can watch the aerial pictures in real time through the mobile phone and experience the world from different angles. Remote control distance 8100 meters. Charging time is 60 minutes. Model efficiency weight. Action time is 79 minutes. Size of 22.5 Control channel 6 channels. Controller battery of 3x 1.5 batteries are not included. Camera for 100 720 type. 10A type optional. 1. Easy to play 360-degree rolling, meet up and down, tumbling back and forth, tumbling around, etc. 2. To point forks remote control out to point forks high frequency signal, remote control distance, supporting multiple aircraft, while playing non-interference. 3. High-low speed mode, high and low speed conversion, and large wide speed switch, high speed to output greater torque. 4. A key takeoff landing, it can be easily through the remote control for a key to take off or landing without hands, but also easy to control Pico capture, more convenient. 5. 1 key return a built-in positioning system in the headless mode. When the quadcopter flew to a long distance, cannot identify the direction, you can easily recall. Top 5 AE6 108 Pro Drone. 1. Remote control frequency channel out to point forks for channels. 2. Product material of plastic, metal, electronic components. 3. Adjust the camera remotely. Adjust the camera. Adjust 148. 4. Product color gray, black. 5. Motor model A816. 6. Remote control mode left-hand throttle. 7. Flight time of about 15 minutes. 8. Size of mobile phone clip of 5.5. 9. Remote control battery of 3 AAA. 10. Fuselage battery of 3.7 to 1000 mAh. 11. Remote control distance no interference on 100. 12. Charging mode USB. 13. Charging time of about 60 minutes. 14. In method of color box. Storage bag. 15. Body size of 25.5 m. 16. Folding size of 13.95 m. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel and update best technological gadgets advances.